Hi from Laundry Talk. Today I have a review on this Creative Space dry erase board that I got about a year ago. So I want to share what I use it for and why I love it so much. So the first thing is I use it to do either weekly planning or monthly planning of things that I have to do, goals that I have, any aspirations that I have coming up for the month, for the week, whatever the case is. And it's great because it actually comes with a weekly planner, so that's actually helpful because it stays already on. Another reason I use this is for my daycare kids. Either we're doing games, we're doing activities, we're doing lessons. It's great because it's good for me to stand in front of it and explain things and actually manipulate any items that I want to move around. But it's also great for children like preschool and school age kids because they're pretty tall, so they're a good height to be able to use the bottom of the dry erase board. So that's awesome. I use it for professional use or for personal use, so I use it for everything. So it has two sides. That's a great thing that I love about it. It has this side and it has the same board on the other side, and you don't even have to turn the board around in order to use it. That is like the best part. So all you have to do is just loosen this up a little bit, loosen the other side as well. Over here, 1, 2, and then you take this clamp down here, press it down, and voila, you get to turn it all around and use this side. So you don't have to erase or take anything away soon after you do it. You can leave it there for a while, and that's why I'm able to use it for multiple uses at a time. And all you have to do is just tighten it back up for around about 2 times. I always put it the wrong way. Anyway, and that's it. It's back to where you started. It comes with, like I said, the weekly planner. It comes with these nice magnets, 4 different colors: red, green, red, and yellow. Here you go, green, blue, red, and yellow. And these I bought additional, that doesn't come with it. But yeah, it comes with these. It has more, but my kids, took some of them off. It comes with an eraser with some markers. I love the fact that it has this down here, this border right here, so you could put things on top of it. Again, the wheels are great. It has something here on the side, like a little magnet as well. So that's pretty cool. So I love it very much for the fact that it has multiple uses. It's good, friendly for like older kids or teachers and parents to be able to use. So that's pretty cool. You can move it around anywhere. You can lock it in place. And so, yeah, I bought it about a year ago, and I got inspired to get it from my brother, and he has about 3 years with his, and he loves it as well. So if this is something you like, you can get it in Amazon. It's called Creative Space Dry Erase Board. I hope you like it. Don't forget to smile, and see you in the next one.